Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to increase resolution in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Adobe Express, increasing the resolution of your design or exported image ensures better quality, especially for printing or sharing on higher resolution platforms. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or the design that you're working that you want to increase the resolution. Or if you wanted to start from scratch, just click this button right here. You can upload your own content, and of course, together we will increase the resolution later. But if you want to, maybe browse some templates and begin your work from there, just click this button. Now, my best suggestion is go to the plus button here, because this will give you the customized section wherein you can, from the base point, ensuring that our design will be set to the highest resolution possible. All right. From here, we can go to the custom size, and you need to choose the dimensions suitable for your purpose. All right. Now here, for the web, what we can do is put in like 1920 to 1080 pixel. That's a standard HD. That is for the web. But if you're planning to go to the print right here, you might want to choose the inches and go to at least 300 dpi. 300. Let's say pixel, right? 300 dpi, or maybe that's going to be like 25, 50, and 3300 pixel. And that's equivalent to a 300 dpi, which is 8.5 by 11 inch document. Right? So let's create the new file. What happens would be forwarded here. From this instance, we can now upload our own content. We have a separate video on how to use the brands here and create your own brand in Adobe Express. But I'm going to add our logo, which is going to be part of our overall design. Add some text here on the left side panel of our dashboard. So you have that. Make it a little bit bigger. Right here, maybe just around here. Upload my own content. Now, we don't want this. We just wanted the image right here. Kind of like filling all the stat sheets right here. And of course, we're going to add a media as the background. We're going to be choosing a video instead. Just wait for till it takes a little while, depending on the, for example, this. Going to maximize all this and send it to the back as our video background. Now, having said all of that, this is one of the easiest way for you to increase the resolution. Go to the download section on the upper right corner. Choose the MP4. Right now, its custom original size is different. You see, if you want to increase the resolution more, you might want to opt for the 4K. That is the limitation here in Adobe Express. You can only export the 4K resolution, but it requires a premium subscription plan. If you are using the free trial, you might want to consider upgrading to their premium plan for you to be able to export it or save it to 4K, which is the highest resolution possible in Adobe Express. All right. Similarly, if you go for the PDF printing, if you want to print this amazing design that you have created, I want you to include the bleed and crop marks for easier trimming and after printing. Right. The PDF print is optimized for printing here in Adobe Express, so you don't have to tweak any more settings. All I gotta do now is click on download. So you have all these options. All right. Now, Always avoid scaling up small designs after they have created, and always start with the right canvas size that we have shown you earlier before and in the beginning of this video. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.